Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Schroeder, and I'm here to give you another math lesson. So for today's math lesson, we're going to be working on Chapter 1, Lesson 4. You will need pages 29 through 34 in your math book, and you will also need just a pencil today. So if you need to pause the video to go get your math book pages plus a pencil, go ahead and do that now. All right, so today we're going to learn how to read and write 4 and 5. So we're just basically doing a little bit more practice from yesterday's lesson. So my first question is, we need to count the trees. How many trees are there? We're going to draw an apple for each of the trees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an apple in each of the trees, and I want you guys to help me count how many apples we have. Here we go. 1 apple, 2, 3, 4. Good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples in our tree. I also want to talk about number 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a pattern, okay? So a pattern is when you have, and we'll do an A-B pattern, okay? So for example, my pattern will be yellow, red, yellow, red. Good. Say that with me. Yellow, red, yellow, red. Help me count how many cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 cubes. I want to write the number 4. Now remember, for number 4, we say baby L, line down. One more time, say that with me. Baby L, line down. Excellent. Now I'm going to actually do another pattern. So for my next pattern, I'm going to pick, let's do blue and yellow, okay? Blue, yellow, blue, yellow. What will come next? Blue. Good job. Help me say my pattern. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue. Good. Now help me count how many cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cubes. When we write the number 5, we say down and around and make a hat. Say that with me again. Down and around and make a hat. Great job. So the other day, I actually showed you something. Oh, before we get started, I'm going to show you that again. So the other day I showed you something, okay, and I'm going to draw it again. Okay. Does anybody remember the name of what this shape is? Did you say a 10 block? Good. If you did, you're correct because we have 10 blocks. Help me count how many I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Echo me, 10 block. Good. This is a 10 block because I see 10 blocks. I want to write my numbers that we've learned so far in each block. So when we start counting, we always start with what number? 1. Good. Say number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 4, baby L, line down. 5, down and around and make a hat. Great job, boys and girls. This is the order that we would write our numbers in our 10 block. All right, now let's get started for your math for today. This is the picture that you should see right in front of you, okay? So what we're going to do is, remember, we circle and then we write our numbers, okay? So Mrs. Schroeder was driving in her car, and on the side of her street, she saw a construction site. In the construction site, she saw some yellow cones. Help me count how many cones you see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 yellow cones. Go ahead, you circle and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we say number 4, we say baby L, line down. Go ahead and trace it and say it with me. Baby L, line down. Good. Also on the side of the road, she saw some bricks laying down. Help her count how many red bricks we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 red bricks. You go ahead and circle and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Help me write the number 5. Down and around and make a hat. It's your turn. Down and around and make a hat. Great job. Go ahead and flip over your papers. All right. Help me count how many stop signs you see. 1, 2, 3. Let me hear you. 4, 5. There are 5 stop signs. Go ahead and do it on your paper, and I want to hear you count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Go ahead and write the number 5. Down and around and make a hat. Down and around and make a hat. Good. Keep going. Down and around and make a hat. One last time. Down and around and make a hat. Down and around and make a hat. Excellent. Okay, now I want you to help me count how many dump trucks you see. Or cement trucks, actually. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cement trucks. Go ahead and circle and count on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to hear you counting. For number 4, we say baby L, line down. Go ahead and do it on your own. Baby L, line down. Let's do the next one. Baby L, line down. One more time. Baby L, line down. Great job. Okay, let's count how many construction hats we see. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 construction hats. Go ahead and count and circle on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's write the number 4. Baby L, line down. I can't hear you. Baby L, line down. Good. Do it on your own. Baby L, line down. Excellent job. All right, boys and girls, I would like for you to start completing the independent practice all on your own. So we did the first page together. We did all of these examples together. You need to do page 31. Count, make sure you guys are circling every time and then tracing your numbers as well as writing them. And then you are in charge and responsible for doing your homework at the end of the day, okay? Pages 33 and 34, but you will not start this page yet because that will be for next week. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you later.